In this video, we're going to break down a high-quality market structure setup using smart money concepts. We'll start by identifying how liquidity was taken from the sell side, followed by a clear change of character that signaled a potential shift in direction. From there, price created inducement, pulling in weak positions before returning to a key point of interest, an area where institutions typically look for efficient entries. After reacting from this zone, the market delivered strong bullish expansion toward buy-side liquidity, completing a clean and logical price delivery. This breakdown is purely for educational purposes to help you understand how structure, liquidity, and timing work together in real market conditions. If you find this type of analysis helpful, make sure to follow Discount Trader for more market structure and execution-based education.
Now, let us focus on the change of character visible on this chart. A change of character occurs when the market stops respecting its previous direction and starts showing the first clear sign of a shift in control. Before this point, price was making lower highs and lower lows, which indicates bearish structure. During this phase, sellers were in control of the market. However, after the sell-side liquidity was taken, price delivered a strong bullish move that broke above the most recent lower high. This break is significant because it shows that sellers are no longer able to defend their structure. This is what defines a change of character. It is not just a candle moving higher, but a structural break that signals potential directional change. At this point, smart money interest becomes visible, as the market transitions from distribution into accumulation. It is important to understand that a change of character is not an entry signal by itself. Instead, it provides directional bias, allowing us to wait patiently for price to retrace into a key area of interest where high-probability trades can be planned.
Let us now understand the liquidity sweep visible on this chart.
A liquidity sweep occurs when price intentionally moves toward a well-known high or low to trigger stop-loss orders placed by retail traders. These stops act as liquidity for larger market participants. In this case, price moves below the previous lows, where many sell positions had their stop-losses placed. This downward push is not a sign of strong selling, but rather a controlled move designed to collect sell-side liquidity. Notice how price quickly reacts after sweeping these lows. The presence of long lower wicks and immediate rejection indicates that selling pressure was absorbed rather than continued. This behavior suggests that smart money was active in this zone, using the available liquidity to build buy positions at discounted prices. It is important to understand that a liquidity sweep by itself is not a trade entry signal. Instead, it prepares the market for a potential reversal or continuation by clearing weak positions. Once liquidity is taken, the market becomes free to move efficiently in the opposite direction, which is exactly what we see developing later in this structure. Now let us focus on the point of interest highlighted on this chart.
A point of interest refers to a price area where institutional participants are likely to have unfilled orders based on previous market activity. These zones are not chosen randomly. They are formed where price previously moved with strong displacement, indicating smart money involvement. In this case, after the liquidity sweep and the change of character, price retraces back into this point of interest. This pullback is healthy and expected, as markets often return to rebalance inefficiencies before continuing in the new direction. Notice how price respects this zone and shows strong rejection from it. This reaction confirms that buying interest is present and that the area is being defended. It is important to understand that a point of interest is not an automatic entry level. Instead, it provides a framework for patience and precision, allowing traders to wait for confirmation before planning a trade. When a point of interest aligns with market structure and liquidity conditions, it becomes a high-quality area for potential execution, which is exactly how it functions in this chart.
Now let us understand the concept of inducement as it appears on this chart. Inducement refers to a deliberate market move that encourages traders to enter positions in the wrong direction, creating liquidity for larger participants. This typically occurs after an initial shift in structure, when the market needs additional orders to fuel the next move. In this case, after the change of character, price pulls back aggressively and appears weak. This movement convinces many traders that the bullish move has failed and that the market is returning to a bearish trend. As a result, short positions begin to build below recent minor lows. However, this pullback is not a true reversal. It is a calculated move designed to attract sellers and place their stop-loss orders just below the recent lows. Once this inducement is formed, the market has sufficient liquidity to continue higher. Notice how price quickly reverses from this area and moves toward the point of interest, followed by strong bullish expansion. This confirms that inducement successfully trapped weak positions. Understanding inducement helps traders avoid entering too early and instead wait for the market to reveal true intent through structure and confirmation.
Now let us focus on buy-side liquidity as it appears on this chart. Buy-side liquidity represents the resting buy orders that are typically placed above previous highs. These orders often belong to traders who enter breakout buys or place stop losses for short positions. For larger market participants, this liquidity becomes a logical target for price. After the liquidity sweep, change of character, and confirmation from the point of interest, the market enters a strong bullish expansion phase. This expansion is not random. It is directed toward areas where buy-side liquidity is clearly visible, specifically near equal highs and previous swing highs. Notice how price moves efficiently toward these levels with strong momentum and minimal pullback. This behavior indicates institutional participation, as the market is being marked up to access available liquidity. When price reaches buy-side liquidity, it often experiences reaction or slowdown. This is because smart money uses these areas to reduce or exit positions, while late buyers are entering the market. Understanding buy-side liquidity helps traders avoid chasing price and instead recognize where bullish moves are likely to complete, making it a critical component of structured market analysis. Now, let us walk through the buy-trade execution based on this chart, using a strict 1% risk management approach. The execution begins only after sell-side liquidity has been taken, and a clear change of character confirms a bullish directional bias. This step is critical as it prevents trading against institutional flow. Next, price retraces into the identified point of interest, which represents a zone of prior institutional demand. Rather than entering immediately, patience is applied until price shows bullish confirmation within this area. Once confirmation is present, the buy entry is planned with risk limited to 1% of total account equity. The stop loss is placed below the point of interest and below the inducement low, ensuring protection against structural failure. Position size is then calculated so that a stop loss hit results in no more than 1% loss. This allows consistency and long-term sustainability. The target for this trade is placed at buy-side liquidity near the previous highs, where profit is logically delivered. This execution model prioritizes structure, liquidity, and risk control over prediction, making it a disciplined and repeatable trading approach.